Hi everyone, welcome to Zen Zone Health. Today, we're diving into 6 powerful exercises that will transform your body in just 4 weeks. These exercises are specially designed to tone your body, build strength, and deliver noticeable results in no time. If you've been looking for a fitness routine that's both effective and manageable, you're in the right place. These exercises are not only aimed at sculpting your muscles, but also enhancing your overall well-being. They target key areas such as your glutes, thighs, core, and upper body, ensuring a balanced workout that addresses multiple muscle groups. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, these moves will challenge you and help you achieve your fitness goals. So, let's get started. Grab your workout mat, some water, and let's jump into these transformative exercises. Remember, consistency is key, and with dedication, you'll see amazing results in just 4 weeks. Let's do this together. Squats are one of the most effective exercises for targeting your glutes, thighs, and core. They build lower body strength and enhance muscle tone, maintain proper form to avoid injury, and maximize effectiveness. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes slightly pointed outwards. Lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up and your back straight. Ensure that your knees do not extend past your toes. Push through your heels to stand back up. Planks are an excellent exercise for strengthening your core, shoulders, and back. They might look simple, but holding a plank position challenges your entire body and helps improve your posture and core strength. Begin by getting into a push-up position, but instead of lowering yourself, hold your body in a straight line from head to heels. Ensure that your hands are directly under your shoulders, and your core is engaged to prevent your hips from sagging or lifting too high. Focus on keeping your body as straight as possible, like a plank of wood. Start by holding the position for 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase the duration as your strength improves. Planks also work your shoulders and arms, providing a full body workout in one simple move. Incorporate different variations, such as side planks or plank with shoulder taps, to target different muscle groups and keep your routine interesting. Remember to breathe steadily and maintain your form throughout the exercise. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They build upper body strength and tone your arms. Start in a plank position with hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower your body, then push back up. Keep your body straight, avoiding hip sag. Modify by dropping your knees if needed. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Chapter 4. Lunges. Lunges are fantastic for targeting your glutes, thighs, and calves. They enhance leg strength and balance, making them an essential part of any lower body workout. To perform a lunge, stand with your feet together and step forward with one leg. Lower your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle, ensuring that your front knee doesn't extend past your toes. Push through the heel of your front foot to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Engage your core to maintain balance and stability throughout the movement. Lunges can be performed in various ways, including walking lunges or reverse lunges, to keep your workouts dynamic and challenging. Incorporate lunges into your routine by aiming for 3 sets of 12 repetitions on each leg. You can add weights to increase the intensity and further challenge your muscles. Lunges not only build strength, but also improve your coordination and flexibility, contributing to overall fitness and well-being. Chapter 5. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are a highly effective exercise for targeting your abs, obliques, and core. They help define your abdominal muscles and improve overall core strength. To perform bicycle crunches, lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your legs lifted in a tabletop position. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee while extending your right leg out, then switch sides. Continue alternating in a pedaling motion, ensuring that you twist your torso to engage your obliques. Keep your lower back pressed into the ground and avoid pulling on your neck. Aim for 3 sets of 20 repetitions, focusing on controlled movements and proper form. Bicycle crunches not only tone your abs, but also improve your stability and balance. As you progress, try to increase the speed of your movements while maintaining control. This exercise is a great addition to any core workout, helping you achieve a strong and defined midsection. Chapter 6. Glute Bridges. Glute bridges are an excellent exercise for strengthening your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. They improve hip stability and contribute to a well-rounded lower body workout. To perform glute bridges, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top of the movement. Hold the position for a few seconds before lowering your hips back to the ground. Ensure that you engage your core and avoid arching your lower back. Aim for 3 sets of 15 repetitions, focusing on squeezing your glutes and maintaining proper form. You can add variations such as single-leg glute bridges or placing a weight on your hips for an extra challenge. Glute bridges not only strengthen your muscles, but also improve your posture and stability. Incorporate them into your routine to build a strong and toned lower body. Outro. Consistency is key. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. These 6 exercises are designed to transform your body, but they require regular practice and dedication. Perform these exercises regularly, maintain a balanced diet, and get proper rest to support your fitness journey. Your body needs time to recover and build strength, so make sure to listen to it and avoid overtraining. Thank you for watching Zen Zone Health. We hope you found these exercises helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. We're here to support you every step of the way, and we love hearing about your progress and experiences. Share your journey with us in the comments below. See you next time. Keep pushing yourself, stay motivated, and remember that every effort brings you closer to your goals. Together, we can achieve amazing things. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.